This is step two, efficiency. People say it all the time. Work smart, not hard. But what does smart actually mean? Because cutting corners isn't smart. Making others do your work isn't smart. Rushing something half done isn't smart either. SMART has a real meaning. SMART is an acronym. Specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. It's a way of turning vague effort into clear direction. Let's make this simple. Instead of saying, I want to get fit. That's not smart. It's too vague. A smart version would be, I will run for 20 minutes 3 times a week for the next 4 weeks. Now it's specific. You can measure it. It's achievable. It's relevant to your goal. And it has a time limit. You know exactly what to do and when. That's working smart. Here's another example. Instead of saying, I want to start a project, try this. I will complete one rough version of this project by Sunday. Not perfect. Just complete. Because here's the truth. It's okay if it's not perfect. In fact, it shouldn't be. The first version isn't meant to be right. It's meant to be real. Theory is only an assumption. You don't truly know what works until you try. So you do it once, fully. Then you take notes. What didn't work? What took too long? What felt unnecessary? Then you upgrade the process. You do it again and again. Each cycle gets faster, cleaner, more efficient. That's how efficiency is built. Not by planning forever, but by doing, reviewing, and adjusting. There's another way to be efficient too. Learning from other people's mistakes. Podcasts, interviews, long-form conversations. When someone tells you what went wrong for them, you get to skip the rookie mistakes. But here's the key. You don't copy their life. You tweak it to fit your reality. What worked for them might not work for you. Exactly. So you adapt it. That's step two. You don't just act anymore. You refine, you work smart,